Great. Congratulations, Chief. Good. Yeah, good.
Thanks. Thank you very much.
Hello.
Thank you.
I want to point out that we are so grateful to have once again the great voice of WYNS, Julia Papa, who's going to be here as the mistress of ceremony. This is the 23rd year we have honored the women and men of our services here in New York City and working in Brooklyn. And it's so important to, for me at least, to recall that when I had the privilege of becoming fire commissioner of the city, I learned something that I wasn't aware of until that time, and that is that firefighters and cops and often all folks in uniformed services are so different than civilians. And the main difference is that when you leave on a to go to your tour of duty, you're not sure that you're going to come back uninjured or come back at all. And that's why I always respect all of you so very, very much. I wish you congratulations, continued great work on behalf of the people of this county.
So Brooklyn is happening, right? And there's so much publicity about the borough. Any hipsters in the room? Actually, just an honor and a pleasure to be here and do this again this year. I don't know, I think this is about the 7th or 8th year I do it. And what really strikes me when I read some of these stories is it's not only about courageous acts, but it's about the generosity to the community. But people are not only doing on duty, but off duty as well. And notably, there's also a great diversity in this group of award winners today. So you will see as I introduce them, the important roles that plays because it saves lives. And I actually covered quite a few of these stories, so I've gotten to meet some of the people involved. And I remember the stories well, I remember the people well, and these are stories that are memorable because of the role that the men and women have played in them. Congratulations to Lieutenant Smith, Sergeant Burford, and Officer Stone.
Come on up and join the photo. Chief Box.
This is the 23rd year we have had this ceremony, and it's we believe, or I believe, it's an obligation we have to show our respect and congratulations to the women and men who serve us so very, very well in New York City. These are the first responders. These are our heroes.
Make sure you I'll put this way. One more.